Okay. Continue. Part number 6, summary of the law. Extinguishing or reducing the size of the flame is prohibited on Shabbos, and is also prohibited on Yom Tov except situation related to the preparation of the food. So on Shabbos it's always forbidden. On Yom Tov, because it's not allowed to cook on Shabbos. Right? That's why they say, that's why they said when you buy a hot plate, so the most like straightforward plate without all the settings, stuff like that, that's would be the most straightforward. But if you don't have little kids and you're a very organized person, you can buy this hot plate with the handles. Just some people just remove the handles, and some people never ever adjust them. For example, we have this hot plate with adjusted handles. We never ever turn, like never ever. Nobody, guests do not come, kids do not come, nobody comes. Okay, nobody touch it. Okay, but if you're not sure of yourself, don't buy this hot plate. Right? If you have little kids that like to play with things, so of course you cannot do that, right? if the little one or put it like facing the wall, right? So they don't see the handle, the adjusters. You understand? So that's we have to be smart. So okay, but on Yom Tov it is allowed. Right, for preparation of the food, but after the food was prepared, will not be allowed to turn off this gas stove. It is permitted to lower gas flame in order to prevent food from that is cooking on it from burning. Okay, that's straightforward. It's for a purpose of cooking. So if it's going to burn, so you make it lower. Some poskim permit only when when lighting a new lower flame is not an option. Right? Rabbi Moshe finds that Tzal permits even in such a case. So I just thought about our stove. I think when you light my stove, we have electric ignition, but let's say it's turned off. So it starts from the big flame, and in order to make it smaller, you have to continue turning the handle. So in this case, it's not going to work, right? So they say like, I'm not sure why is that. Maybe in order to like send a lot of gas to ignite it faster. I'm not sure. Like logically, it should go like from a smaller flame to the bigger flame, larger flame. But in it's from larger to smaller. So it's not going to work. So meaning for sure you can use the existing flame. Continue. One may not extinguish or lower flame for any purpose other than aid cooking. However, so as we said, only for cooking, period. However, when there is a need to extinguish the flame, one may do so indirectly by boiling pot of drinking water over it and letting the water overflow. So the water overflow, it's indirectly, then you close the gas and you're good. But again, as we said, try to not try, but it's absolutely required to drink to drink this water, or drink it, or use it maybe towards the dishes if you need the dishes, or to wash yourself, right? Even though you're allowed to open the hot water tub, but if you need this water towards the baby, this make use of this water, because otherwise it would be almost like you turn off. What is the difference? This water is of no use. Okay, drink tea, coffee, whatever you drink. Next one. It is permitted to us, a non-Jew, to extinguish a flame for any Yom Tov related purpose, right? Such as cooling a room. However, one may not do so merely to consume fuel. So to consume fuel, and it's so some people say, you have the stove going the whole Shabbos, right? Or the whole 2 days Yom, sometimes 3 days. 3 days. Of course, it's a lot of waste. But HaShem pays. Like if you see on it, like HaShem is going to reimburse anyway. Like what I'm losing, right? Like you on your job, right? And you working in the kitchen and they have a stove on, right? Do we think twice about it? Like how my employer is going to pay for the bill? No, we don't care. Understand? So same is here. Of course, we're not being wasteful, but I mean, what can I do? Okay. So, but again, you can ask a non-Jew for all of the purposes, Yom Tov related purposes. It's too hot, right? Or we're afraid to leave because to leave the fire on. That's Yom Tov need, but otherwise, to save money, no. Continue. It is forbidden to extinguish or lower the settings of an electric heating element, or to turn off the electric light for any purpose. However, one may have a non-Jew to do this for legitimate Yom Tov needs. So one more time. Don't remember if what is the difference between electric and gas, right? But he's very clear. So the electric is much stricter. Even though you have these coils, right, in your electric stove, it is forbidden to lower it. Okay, no problem. Okay, or shut off the light only through a non-Jew if it's for legitimate Yom Tov needs. So whatever needs is. Okay, so again, maybe it's hot, maybe I don't know, like hot or cold. Air conditioner, maybe heating system. You need to start heating system. So you can ask non-Jew. So next one, when carrying a flame outdoors, one must protect it from the wind. Yeah.